Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new bank account. For example, if you have opened new bank account in different currency and you need to record transactions in that particular currency. So, the way how we can add a new bank account, you need to go to sidebar section called Banking. Here, to add a new bank account, you need to click on red button called Enter Your Account Manually. Here you can select either it will be a new bank account or credit card. Credit card will have a shorter form to fill in if it is credit card account what you want to add to your Zoho Books accounting software. When you go to bank, add an account name. In my case, it will be Business Euro. Okay, account code. If you have account code to enter, add it there. Okay, currency, that's where I can select different currencies. So in my case, I have 3 currencies what I have selected for my business, and this business account will be in euros. Add an account number of your bank. Okay, bank name. In this case I have Rita's Bank. Okay, if you have routing number, add it there, and also you can add a description. If, for example, at a later point you have changed to another bank and it's in the same currency, like it would be in pounds but completely different bank, and that would be your trading bank account, make that one as primary by selecting this box. Otherwise your previous bank will be as a primary. So click Save, go back to Banking Overview, and Euro account is added here. From here, I have an options to edit account, view transactions, import statements, manage transaction rules, and mark as inactive. So we cannot delete bank account from this screen. First, you need to mark as inactive, and then you will be able to delete by clicking Delete Account. Okay, so this is a way how you can add a new bank, either different currency account or credit card account, to Zoho Books accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.